Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain the neural network. Neural networks are a revolution artificial intelligence. They are a powerful tool for tackling complex problems and transforming industries from healthcare to the finance. What a neural network! Inspired by the brain, neural networks are the modeled after the human brain structure. The unconnected nodes under the neurons and the process information, learning from the data. They learn from data, identify the pattern, and making the prediction based on those patterns. Adaptive systems. Neural network can be adapted and improve their performance over time as they encounter more data. Supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model learns from labeled data where each input is associated with known output. We can say that the labeled data where each input is associated with a known output. Unsupervised learning involves learning from unlabeled data where the models must identify the pattern and relationship on it. We can say that unsupervised learning is a process of unlabeled data where the model must identify in this we can say that the model should have to identify the pattern and the relationship on its own. And in supervised, it's not to be necessary to be the model relationship should be known. Key concept: neuron activation function level. Neuron activation function and layers. The basic building blocks of neural networks, they process and transmit information. We can say that neuron is a process where neural network did process and transmit the information. It is we can say that it is used for the transformation and information. Active functions. Functions that determines the output of neuron based on its inputs. Groups of neurons organized in layers, each layer processing information definitely. Building a neuron in R and Python. Libraries and framework. Leverage libraries are tensor, flows, and kernels of building neural networks in Python or using packages like neural NAT and NA. Model architecture. Defining the number of layers, neurons per layers, and the activation function of each layer. We can say that we have to define the number of layers and neurons per layers in it. Training and validations. Train the networks on data sets and validate its performance on a separate test set. And third, evaluating model performance. Loss functions. Measure the model error during training and optimizing. It's measure the model errors during the training. It is used to find out the loss function where the model error during the training and the optimization. Accuracy. Measure the model ability to predict the output of the given input. Precision and recall. Evaluate the model ability to correctly identify the positivity case and minimize the false positivity and the negativity. We can say that it is used to identify the positive case and the minimum positive or negative case from the data given in it. Application of neural network: image recognition, natural language processing, financial modeling, and drug discovery. Image recognitions identify the object and patterns in image used in self-driving cars and medical diagnosis. Natural languages processing understanding and generating human languages using chatbot and translation software. Financial modeling predicting the market trends and making investment decisions. Discoveries identify the potential drugs candidates and optimizing drugs development process. These are the four types of applications which are used in neural networking system.